Hello, everyone. My name is Jack Liu, and I'm the CPO and co-founder of Tristar AI. So my co-founder, he grew up spending a lot of time at his dad's plastic manufacturing plant. He distinctly remembers the noise, the smell of melting resin, and more importantly, his dad constantly running around trying to solve issues with his production. His dad was able to solve this through instinct, through experience, and honestly, just good old-fashioned hustle. But he always thought, and he always told Salim, my co-founder, that if there was a way for him to see what was happening on his production floor in real time instead of trying to solve problems after, that would be a game changer. And that's what stuck with us and how we based our company on. So as we found out as we went to the industry, he wasn't the only problem with this, only person with this problem, right? And after years at MIT and at auto manufacturing plants, we saw that this most people still operate on making decisions on a bad or incomplete feedback cycle and just lack of information. And this gap in information is kind of what cost these companies billions in lost production, in scrap, and just general inefficiencies. And that's what we aim to tackle. So basically, the idea is that we try to fill this gap of information by understanding the biggest lack, which is the human element of any production cycle. There's no real good way to get that information other than self-reporting, which is just inherently unreliable and what drives these gaps of misinformation. At the end of the day, we come in, we install our vision system, and we use that to inspect the production line. We understand the entire production process. And if any of the operators kind of go outside of the standard operating procedure, we're able to flag that, give the instant alert to the operator, and that gives us an opportunity to fix that in real time instead of trying to go back and resolve it after. And so the underlying technology behind this, this monitoring system is that we essentially have these action building blocks. And in a way, you can think of it as Legos, where we understand these complex motions through basic movement and being able to restitch that in a different combination to detect other complex actions. And that's how we're able to map it directly over to their production process and the production cycle. And because of this mix of smaller or more basic movement blocks that we can assemble it into, fit it to any application in any kind of environment. So in one of our plastic plants, as you can imagine, that's where we started based on my co-founder's dad. We found that we were able to reduce the defective and scrap rate by over 60% in over just a month by allowing them to react in real time instead of going back and fixing things. And another one of our customers that makes auto radiators, they're essentially, every time we catch a defect as it's happening, they're saving tens of thousands in lost production, in scrap. And not only that, you're saving them essentially over 10 hours of rework. As you can imagine, anything that you build incorrectly, you have to unbuild and then rebuild. So that basically triples your production time for each of those parts. And more importantly, I think more than just that, we're helping the engineers and the operators have more visibility. They don't feel like they're flying blind when they're doing their shifts day in, day out. And it gives them a tool that makes their lives a lot easier because it's a second pair of eyes and it allows them to resolve things without feeling the effects of incorrectly doing something later on. At the end of the day, I think like our fundamental drive for what we're building is that we're trying to build something that I think our co-founders dad would have loved to have. You know, these people, they don't care about computer vision, they don't care about cameras, they don't care about algorithms. What they want is ability to react in real time and full visibility in what's happening on their plant floor. And at the end of the day, it's just about making manufacturing smarter, leaner, and more agile and resilient to everything that's going on in the world. And so all I ask of you is if you think this application or this technology can improve things at your company, please come and speak to us, and we'd love to have a conversation. Thank you very much.